In today's hybrid world of photo and video creation, color accuracy isn't just a detail, it's everything. But managing color across multiple cameras, different lighting conditions, and various displays creates a complex challenge. Introducing the Datacolor Spyder Photo Video Kit, 4 professional tools in one portable solution designed for both in-studio and on-location shoots. From initial capture through final edit, this is complete color control for the modern creator. Start with the Spyder Cube. More than just a gray card, its unique 3D design captures true zero black point and white balance, matching how light actually falls on your subject. The Spyder Checkr Video's patent-pending color pattern card reveals how every hue is captured across your camera system, ensuring consistent color across multiple setups. Switch to the photo card set for expanded skin tones, precise white balance, and exposure control. Complete your workflow with SpyderPro, calibrating today's advanced displays from OLED to Mini LED to Apple Liquid Retina XDR in just 90 seconds. From initial white balance to final color grade, every step is precise, portable, and professional. Whether you're shooting hybrid content, managing multiple cameras, or working across different locations, your color stays true. The Datacolor Spyder Photo Video Kit. Complete color confidence anywhere your creativity takes you.